Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we're going to take the wraps off the Xiaomi Mi 10. The Mi 10, as you can see on the box, is powered by the Snapdragon 865 and supports 5G connectivity. It also sports a 108 megapixel primary camera. Excited much? Let's see what you get in the box. So the first thing you see is this white envelope, which I'm going to take it out and you're going to keep it aside to first check out the phone in our hands. So I'm going to take the wraps of this smartphone and I have the Mi 10 right here in my hands, and as you can see, it does feel quite good and compact in my hands, and I can easily reach the other end of the screen with my fingers. So we're just going to let the smartphone start up on its own and take a look at what we get inside the box. So if we remove this protective spot, and this here is the 30-watt Xiaomi charger that you get for to top up the battery on the Mi 10, and along with that is this Type-C cable, and you basically need to use this Type-C cable to charge it at 30 watts because of the proprietary nature of this charger. You can identify the cable with the orange tips on the top. I'm going to set this aside, and while the phone is starting, we're going to take a look at what you get in this white envelope. And just as I have guessed, you get a TPU silicone case, some documentation for the smartphone, which is a quick start guide, and a dongle to let you plug in that 3.5mm headphone that you have, because the Mi 10, if you look at it, it does not come with a headphone jack. So I'm just gonna turn it on, and I am already inside the phone, and you can see it does feel quite good in the hands, and yeah, I quite like it. At the back, here's a 108MP camera followed by a 13 megapixel ultra wide lens and two 2 megapixel depth and macro lens respectively. Now on the front, you get a 20 megapixel selfie snapper drilled right into this display. So that was a quick look at what you get inside the Mi 10. Thanks for watching.